This is the BOLA Junior. It's a fun and flexible training companion for any young batsman and a crucial development tool for all aspiring cricketers. The feeder holds 13 balls, while the machine has adjustable speed and swing, providing an accurate bowling at speeds of up to 65 miles an hour with a junior ball. Lightweight and battery operated, the BOLA Junior is both portable and durable. It's designed to be taken anywhere.
We're here at Loughborough with Liam and Vaughan, who play for Leicestershire under-13s. They're going to hit a few shots and show what the BOLA Junior can do. The ball is a little bit lighter than the adult ball, so let's see how it moves. I did a lot of bowling machine work as a junior. Muscle memory that comes from consistent deliveries is one of the most important aspects of developing your batting. Playing against a consistent line and length or practicing specific shots against a delivery that you know you hate to face is a great way to improve. Excellent, Vaughan. For parents and coaches too, it's essential that first, it lets you focus on your child's technique rather than worrying about how accurate your throws are. And secondly, it's going to save your shoulder so you can have a good bowl on a Saturday. It's not all just about hard work setting up the BOLA Junior to practice your favourite shots. It can be a lot of fun too.
The BOLA Junior is quick and easy to set up and can be operated by one person, so for kids this is a great addition to their game.
Every ball is interesting, no leg side wides unless you want them. We all know the batsmen love to practice more than the bowlers. So with the BOLA Junior, you can keep batting until the lights go off. To see more coaching tips showing you how to get the most out of your BOLA Junior, follow the links at the end of this video and subscribe or like our social media channels.